Yeah, get it. Right. Is it gonna go live? It's streaming. I'm just gonna be sitting here eating ice cream. I can't find it. This is not good. Trying my ice cream while streaming. One more. This is not me putting me that. Alright, it's showing up now, but it's not showing up in this one. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's put on some string beats. I'm just gonna go quiet while I put these on. Test 1, 2, 3. That is awesome. Alright, actually, I need to pull that. Oh, I can just go through my history, actually. I'm so stupid. Hey, yeah, here it is. Quick, pause, so I don't close the loop. Yeah, chance I've done that. Alright, you guys can watch me. Mentioned 700 plus people. Have another scoop of ice cream, and let's get started. First, I need to see if I have an exam. I actually have an exam. Let's get that stored. Localhost /php my admin. There we go. Oh, probably helps if I actually start the host. But busting already. Let's continue on. I'll just call it. I need to think of a name. Oh, hello, Chandra Prakesh. What is a good name for a Twitter clone? I'm just trying to think. What would be a good name? I just realized, you guys. Oh, you can't see it on the stream. I just see my microphone. I just fixed that up. Good Twitter clone. Speak. Yeah, I'm literally gonna call it Speak. It's not as if I'm branding this. It's just like a project name. which I got Arrow, and that's our C++ project that I do on stream. I'm trying to work on these projects only on stream because it's like I want to do live. And in here, let's create a use table. We want 4, I think, because we want unique identifier number, so ID as the primary key, and we want username, email, password. I suppose account creation date and date of birth. I want date of birth. I suppose we can have a date of birth just as a checker to make sure they aren't older than a set age, but we don't want that in here. We don't want like some cake day. But cake day. That's a Reddit account creation thing, not birthday. Like we'll go with 5 now. I can always expand as required. So in here I'm just gonna put ID 11 auto increment, so that's gonna be a primary key. Username, this can be a varchar no longer than 16 characters. Action 18, and inside of here we're going to put varchar, and I'll make it like 60, not 100 for the limit, and this is going to be email. And in this, I'm just going to make it text because it's going to be encrypted. I don't know how long it could be. And password, it'll be an encryption. And inside of here, I'm going to put. What am I going to put in here? I'm going to put creation date. Creation score. No, I don't need to underscore. Creation. I'll just literally call it creation date. That's probably something I shouldn't do, but date time. Okay, yeah, we'll do date time instead, and that can just be. That can hold like that. So that's our database setup. I realize I probably shouldn't have set up a table, because I'm going to use Prism. I think it's Prism.io. There it is. Next generation JavaScript and TypeScript are. I don't know what the ORM actually means. Can you tell me how I can fix my PC not loading settings, not showing the settings? What do you mean it's not loading the settings? I've got a calculator open, Windows. Okay, no, I don't need SQLite. We'll just start from scratch. I suppose now we should create our project folder. So inside of this PC, H drive, hard drive, see where I'm going? It's pretty big too, 2.8 terabytes of storage left because I've got some bad boys, some games installed on there. It is a 4 terabyte hard drive, although I did partition it to 500 gigabytes for my Arch Linux, but because when Windows is reading the bytes, it goes to about really 3.8 terabytes because it's 1024 is or kilobits is 1 megabit, so 1024 megabits is 1 gigabyte, and so on and so on. So you do lose a bit. It goes to reset. It's just blank. Is it your personal computer, or is it a computer that you've been given to by an organization? Because if so, they might have disabled something like that. In here, stop procrastinating. Speak. And you can open up command prompt. Get Visual Studio Code open. ice cream. Melted. And now in here, let's install Prisma. npm I Prisma. Okay, I do have npm installed, thank god. No, it's my personal. That's really odd, man. I've got no short. Oh my god, I can't talk. I'm not sure why it might be doing something like that. But I would definitely head over to our Discord and try sending a message in other dev, and I'm sure one of the smart community members in this field can help you. I'm not very experienced with that type of stuff. Well, I used to be. That's a lie. I used to be, but I haven't done it in ages. That just like a rookie now. Okay, so now we need to set up the database URL in the .env file and point to your existing database. If your database is yada yada blah 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 yada yada yada. Run Prisma DB pull to turn your database schema into Okay, so Prisma schema. We want to use MySQL. I think I changed it at the top. I don't need TypeScript. Using JavaScript, I'm using MySQL. Heavy. So this is going to look like. Okay, yeah, data source. MySQL. Yep. Okay, now inside of the N, it is MySQL. Make an app like Instagram? But that would be really testing my abilities. Root. No password at local host 3306, and it was speak. I just need to save that. Now that we've done that, I need to pull though. So where's these commands? Right, commands are return. Prisma DB npx Prisma DB pull, I believe. Okay, npx Prisma generate. Let this do its thing. I'm trying to see something that's tripping out, so I'm just gonna push that off. Yes, I'm using Prisma. Okay, cool. Blah blah blah. I don't care. Okay, I do care, but at the same time I don't care. There. Okay, wait. Oh, it's done it for me. Thanks. Sweet Caroline. npm install Express. Gee, I haven't used Express in a while. It's going to be testing my knowledge of Express. Right, we got Express. What else would we possibly want? Gee. I think the land node has got some inbuilt action that we can use. That's all crazy. Cool. Okay, so this have a question behind you. Okay, Okay, fair. npm install at Prisma or its client. Must have been already installed because I took no time. Let's get started. So I think this is all. We really don't need this anymore now. Oh, thanks. They got some text highlighting extension. Under the bone. Oh, that looks good. It looks cool. Just gonna Control+1, just so it looks a bit bigger. Not like hard to see. Dot. We should go src. Utils, and inside of utils, we're going to have db handler .javascript. So, reading the documentation, mate, we need to import some stuff. Const Prisma client equal require. Oh, I don't want to request. Yeah, first one. Sweet. Now let's just declare a new handler equal Prisma client. That should get looked after. I think. Oh, okay, we don't need that, so we'll leave some microphone exports. DB handler, that is all funky door. It's a really small file. I just go let Prisma client. Oh, what did I just do? I think you guys should be able to hear, so let me just check. You guys can hear it. I suppose we can just do that, that makes it even shorter. I'm sure there's a million ways I could shorten that down, but I think for now that's fine. So inside of here, let's just create our index file, really. And in here, express JS docs. These are documentation, because how long will you stream? Good question. Probably 2 hours or hour and a bit. Maybe for a while. I just keep going until I get bored, really. So getting started, we want a hello world. So we need to import const express equals require express const app equals express. Inside of I think we'll just create a settings with JSON, and inside here we'll go port equals 3000, and let's load that in as well. Let's go const port equals require utils JSON, and now we can get started. So let's do our app.listen port, and inside of here we can just go console.log speak started on 4. There we go. Close this. You can see that. Now we can just, whoops. We can go format this. App.here. And res as the callbacks. And let's just send res.send speak any page. I think I'll do that. Okay, so really, I'm just going to make nodemon dot oh right, nodemon in nodemon send it an example HTML. Yeah, I will in a second. I just need to. Oh, I'm stupid. Nodemon. There we go. Localhost. Port 3000. Speak page. Alright, sweet. Let's work. It is working. Now, do they have another basic routing? I think in the route. So if we do in our sources routes, in here we'll do the login.js and const express or router equal express multi-file route, I believe. Yeah, no, I wasn't in source. I suppose you could pass it like that, but I believe express yeah, okay. I'll just import express as a whole. This is a much more cleaner way. Express equals require express and const router equal express dot router. That's a capital. And we can just export that module.exports route. And then we can just use our stuff in here. So router.get rec res, and inside of here we can go res.send now if we go to our index, we should be able to import this. I will just go to voodoo auto import auto import routes. But for now I'm just going to go const login route equals require route login app dot use login and then we need to pass the login. Theoretically speaking, if we go to this and it works. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Now let's go new folder, use file, login. HTML. Let's just put in boilerplate. I put EJS is what it was. I'm gonna use EJS. Okay, so now we go install. So yes, I'll CD back out of that. npmi EJS. MenuDocs. Okay. Oops. So we need to set our new note. So app.set. Is it view union EJS? Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. So I think now in here we just go res, index res.render, use login, and rename EJS. Let's see. What happened here? That maybe I want to include a specific. Okay, yep. What's the difference between render and send file? So render uses a render engine such as EJS, where we can include some syntax such as like this, and I think you can put variables and stuff in. I haven't done too much of EJS, so I'm gonna have to learn how to use EJS. But I can render specific variables, so I can have like a variable here, and then I would go into here and I pass an object, and excuse me, like how mode, I'd go variable test, I believe it's stuff like that, and if I was to refresh this, I haven't done this part right, but that's how. I lost my train of thought. That's how I can like it. The server will go through and render this. So it's server-side rendering. It'll like render this, and this would replace variable with whatever I told it to. Whereas using send file just sends the raw file, and if it's a HTML, image, video, Chrome will handle all that sort of data. But yeah, it's server-side rendering, so you can include some secret stuff, I suppose. Okay, I think I need to have, actually, what was this? Okay, that's not the right. Maybe this one. Yeah, see? So it's rendering it now that I got it. Login, so I'm just gonna remove that, I need that. And we need to create another folder in here. Static, inside of static we can put main.global.css, and we can set some predetermined stuff. Padding 0, margin, not max resolution, margin 0. Okay, now that we've done that, let's import font. Font.google.com. I really like Roboto. That one's nice. Ooh. I think I'm gonna use this one. Select this style, use an @import, and you just chart this in here. And inside here, family, we can just set that. So I have to write some tests off. Okay. Oh, that's right. I gotta include this too as well. So in our login.ejs, in our here we can go. I like to keep this stuff just underneath here. It gives a link CSS main.label.css, and it's in static. That didn't get it, did it? That worked. Static. Cannot get. I set the setting. Set. Static. Okay, I got you. Let's go app.use app.set static. Okay, so maybe now we that did not like it. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, so it's app.use. Wait. Okay, yeah. Express.static. Static. And I need to remove this. Okay, yeah. So inside of here now, we can just go new folder, CSS. Yes, I can put that into there, and we can create a new folder, not file, but a new folder, JS. And now that we have that, let's go back to here. I just need to change this. Alright, so that's working. Now if we remove, it's beautiful, but what was that? That was, I think I'm gonna have to use the regular 400 actually. Get rid of the extra light. Copy this import. Whoop, there we go. Oh, that's just beautiful. That's just out of this world. Let's create inside of here now. In our views, we will create includes, and in here I'm just going to put new file header.ex. So inside of our index.ejs. I want to yeah, okay, so partials inside of here. Guess I just write div dot h. We'll go for h3. h3 speak. We'll add some icons and stuff. But I'll go span dot. Out span dot news, and just check news span. Oops, lost. News count. Where's support actually? So now if we go into here, we can just go div wrapper and hey 8D chills. So to include, we say include partials header easy. I mean, let's just try that. See where's that goes. Okay. Yes. Yes. I like what I see. I really like what I see. How am I going? I'm going pretty good. Thanks for asking. How are you going? And inside of here. New file. Now we just do it inside of here for the header. So, header is crap. Background dash color. It's color. Hey, tomato. Nice. That. Matte red text. Let's see what these guys have got. Just gotta finish your work and then you can enjoy this stream. Ooh, this red looks like it's bussin'. I think we use the website. Oh, that's not nice actually, now that I think of it. Flat color. I cannot. What's flat UI got to offer? Okay, the Aussie palette is bussing. Blurple. You like to see it. I think Blurple is going to be our main color. Oh yes. Just inside of here also. Color. What's a? I want it to be easy to read. I don't want just white. Maybe this bluey and white color. That no. Okay, that does not work. I think for now. That's gonna do for now. Really, white should look good. Now we can just go. Whoops. Height. Okay, 150px seems to be a pretty safe thing to do. And header, span, float, right. Yes. Padding dash right. About 10px. Local is poggers. You can say that again, my friend, because you are 175% correct. Alright, that was nice. Display. I think we'll put everything in display. Inline flex, maybe. Oh, don't do inline flex. That does not work. Flex block. Oops. Oh, where's it gone? It's just disappeared. Display block, maybe. Okay. Anyway. Header H3. Padding dash top. Bring it down 10px. I don't like how it's pushing it. See, learn down. Just Google it, please. It's just like Okay, so flex is favorite. No. No. Oh yeah, okay. So flex important. Whoops. And I'm looking at this. White item basic. Yes. Oh yes. Let me just. If I do. Okay, so that seems to have. Maybe if I put the important tab over here. Also, I suppose I can actually specify for width. 100%. Yes. Give that the important. Does that not work? Okay. Order. Oh, maybe. It's going to be longer. Okay, so that's me. This whoopsie daisies. What just happened? I stopped the computer. Display. What in there? Yes, it works. We just. Ooh, camera. I'm back. Alright, now that we've got somewhere. Now. No. Page 3 and my span. I want to edit these two together now. Margin. Dash top. Come down to about 15 pixels. Yeah, oopsie daisy. Right, don't do that, because that doesn't work. Padding. Oh, stupid. But I think now margin is what we need to use. Some more. Oh, this is just got clashing stuff already. Maybe margin dash plot 10 pixels. Anyway, font dash size 45 pixels. Whoop. Oh, yeah, okay. That's 75. I think we would be safe if we did 50, just to make it that bit extra. Padding dash. Padding dash. Yeah, just bring it over a bit. 3.5 pixels. Oh, that is bussing. Bussing. Oh, that is just like hardcore bussing. And I think 75. Maybe 55, just being 20 pixels. Oh, okay. Dude. I think now we can just find a better way to stuff. I think, considering that I do need to have inline now, maybe. Oh! Error on a margin top. Width out around 20%. Okay. See how it is. Ooh, that doesn't. There we go. Let's just do 80 pixels. Oh no, we can have 75 width and still be 25% inside of here. Margin dash bottom 25%. That should just be forcefully lifted on by rights. %. Oh, okay, maybe now that we've got all this display. Yeah. Maybe inline. Just work. I can remember that. Margin dash top. Okay. I just make this blue line a lot. Just for now, just so I can see where they actually. Oh wow. Oh, that bus is real hard. I don't really like that background. Okay, maybe a deep cove can do me some justice. No, blur ain't hitting the spot now. Maybe this will be better. Oh, that's a bit better. Okay, I need to go for a charger. Hang on, my lovelies. Let me just quickly. Boop. I'm still standing better than I remember you. Hit some spraying noise. Let's see. Oh, I'm back. Oh god, nearly lost just now. Okay, there we go. hear me out. Eight. Oh my god, that does not look nice. I need... This is, yeah, no, that would be very clashing. Yeah, that doesn't really look right. Yeah, no. Just an almost white value. Yeah, no, yeah, we just won't. We'll just go pure white. And now that we've got that, let's get rid of that. Now we're getting somewhere. So we just need to create one more thing in here. Our wrapper margin dash margin, I believe it's 0, and then what a time wrap. So now if I just go to my EJS and instead of here I just do P right punch honestly spitting bars in this. Whoops, what did I close? 30 cent 0. Margin dash right. 30%. Okay, yes, queen. The lover's gone. Okay, I think maybe 15% is going to be a bit more nice. A bit more moist and crisp. And, okay, I really don't like this boy. I've decided we're going to get rid of the blue one. Brand new blue passport. I don't know, I don't like that British colour palette. Dutch. Ooh, Chinese. Watermelon. Yes, please. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Mystic crap. Margin. And we'll put a margin dash top. Why? 2.5%. I'm going to push it down too much. Let's do. Oh. Sweet. Okay, so no matter what is in here, it's gonna push it down a bit. So, and you know that's just come on. Welcome. And inside of here, boom. Oh. We're at H. No, not H1. H2. There. Okay, and now we can get rid of all this gibberish, this gibbly-gob. Highlight that. Lorim. That's just about privacy. reviews. There, I think just having a rig tag would look just a bit more appealing. Oh, that's awesome. But just to, you know, a bit more. Just uniqueness to some of them. Okay, yeah, sweet. Now that we've done that, I need to create a new one in here. So this is going to be post. Oh. I'm not going to write this, am I? No, I'm going to love this. 11 order increment. Here. Title. Gotcha. 100. Content is gotcha. 2000, really? Well, gotcha verse text. Okay, so okay, yeah, we'll use gotcha. We don't want anything bigger than 2000 words really being put in there. JSON polygon line string. Attachment could be null. Anyway, could be null. And let me just add a couple more columns. User. How do I make a new type? Type in PHP my PHP my admin wants to create relationships. Okay. And comments. Comments is here. An array. For now, I'm just going to put text on some of these. Well, no. We don't need this. How do I delete this? You just leave it empty. Save. Yes. I forgot to... Likes can come out later time. Anyway, if I go, yeah, structure. speak. Post structure. What are we looking at here? What's the message? Okay, this could be a important message. Sorry, I am gonna have to pause my webcam for a minor second here. And I just realized my phone's not even charging. Space. Okay. Let's just go back to Epoch Cam now. There we go. Oh, see Daisy. Epoch camera. Okay, I'm gonna give this some slack. There we go. And I can turn my camera back on now. Webcam. Back. Guess who's back? Back again. Structure relation view. Oh, yeah, maybe. Structure. Like, speak. Designer. Yeah. Boy. Oh boy. Alright, put that there. Create relation. Here. Here. Oh. I guess we could just get the ID of the user and just pop that in there, really. So I guess that solves that issue. That's a terrible way of going around it. Let's do another npx generate. So I need to do another command prompt. Command. Inside of here, we need to type the following: npx prisma tv and npx prisma generate. Yeah, we're getting somewhere now. So that should be all linked. We can check. Yeah, now schema prisma. Oh, yes. Yes. Look at that. Are you seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? Now that that's done, I think, you know, let's start with, go to partials, new file, go to register.ejs, and I'm going to do some stuff now. So let's just create our wrapper, div wrapper, yada yada yada, blah 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 blah. I'm going to indent all this and include, what is it? Partials. Header. And we can close that special tab. Now, if I go to login, we need to set up this. So res.render get it. Oh, right. Okay, I see what I was doing. Anyway, I think instead of calling this login.js, PC specs, you want to see my PC specs? I've got an RTX 2070 Ventus OC Super, 8 gigabytes of RAM, VRAM. Yes. I've got a Ryzen 7 3700X, and I got 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM at 3000 megahertz, I believe. Okay, my speed's wrong. I have to re-overclock them because my computer's underclocking it because it thinks it's overclocked unsafely. And no, I mean that's about it really. that's all the cool stuff. I got some SSD. I got an SSD and a hard drive, which is doing nothing at the moment. SSD's doing some stuff. Routes. Count and inside of here. Count. Count. So now here to account.js. /login. I don't need to surround and stuff. I can make this a one-liner. For now, get create res.render. No, not redirect, darling. Render. Inside of here. Was it register? I said register. Sorry, it's not my header. I can't see it. It's my phone. I don't need the EJS because it already knows what it's gonna be. Alright, sweet. So inside of index, I'm gonna use @me because I think that looks cool personally. That should just pull, you know, freak out. Oh, I got apps crashed. Hey? Count. There we go. Sweet. So if we do @me, yeah, login, sweet, create. I'm going to insert over here, paste this. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. Let's just create a form. So form post action /@me create method. @me create method post input in email input username. Oops. Input user. Input type name username email ID username password. So I think this might already be done. Password password is I will put capture in here. Obviously I'll do that later. So just for now, we're gonna have to style this. Input submit value register create account. This can have an ID or create. I think that should be gnarly. Let's give these some placeholders now. So placeholder Yondo 420. Placeholder John at speak. Placeholder Alright, sweet. Okay. Yes, I like where we're going with this. Is MenuDocs a team or only one person? MenuDocs originally started off, well, always as a team from Connor and Duncan, and it's slowly grown over time. Ethan came along. We did have another person come along. He dropped off, and then I came along, and I'm the newest person still. But yes, it is a team. Always has been, and probably always will be. Inside of this CSS, let's create another one. Inside of here, let's just create a register CSS. Right, in here we're gonna put display. And we need to import this as well. Register EJS. So inside of here we just do rel main dot register dot CSS. That failed. Inline flex maybe. Nope. Inline flex box. What's up here? Display box. Display block. Grid. Oh, getting somewhere, but not longer. What's float root mean, maybe? Yeah. Okay. maybe I need the, because it just doesn't want to do it. Position row. Maybe the position row just helps. Ugh. Okay, I guess I gotta do this in a boring way. Fine. I'll just put a break tag underneath all of you. And there's nothing you can do about it. Okay. Okay. Margin batch. Bottom. 1.2. Actually, 0.75%. That's nothing. Padding, maybe. Is that just so little? Eh? Is this? Okay, I don't think this actually being. Ah, it just doesn't work. A redundant tag we can use is. Oh, please don't do this. And I mean, it said it's a redundant tag, but like, it's just so dummy thick. Well, I could put a double break tag, but it's just so ugly doing it like that. Like, there should be a way. And see, this is like, I hate web development. It now looks ugly and weird. Uh, I'm gonna make this button look flat. We can do an on submit check as well. So JS main dot radio dot JS to checks. We can check. So let's do a multi-line comment actually. Um, Basically, these are going to be all the checks. That's what the checks the form's going to need to do before it can be sent to the server, which the server will then go through and pass it to make sure no sketchy stuff's happening. Oh man, I'm tired. We'll do one more thing. I'm going to close that up. I'm not so worried about design right now. Let's close views up. We don't need views, but inside of here, okay. Can I import data? Oops. I forgot the music wasn't playing. Sorry guys. Import data. Import. Yes, okay. Mockerudo. ID. Username. Date time. Username. Whoops. User agent. IP address we don't need. Preview. Oh, and password. Add another field. This one can be password. Preview. Download data. Alright, now let's import some data. Wait. Okay, yeah. Choose file. Mock data. Go. Structure. Change. This is 11. Empty. Save. Now if I change this, ID 11 order increment, so change varchar. We're 17 for now. Let's see, username, change what was it? Password. Email. Alright, that's gonna be some mock data just to play around with. I think that's all we're gonna do today. So thank you for watching the stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're still here, I'm gonna get off now. It's getting pretty late. Just a nice little hour and 28-minute stream. Nearly an hour and a half. It's pretty decent. I got things to do tomorrow, so I gotta go to bed soon anyway. I'll be up nice and early. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and if you're still here, see ya. I'm gonna go.